Welcome to Lovelady's Garden, and I am Mrs. Lovelady. Won't you come on this journey with me? On this channel, we will be doing gardening, making new projects, creating new projects, and you know what? You just never know. So come on this journey with me, and let's see what we can do together. And yes, stick around as I transform my new garden space into something beautiful. Who say women can't get out here and work hard? Stay tuned. We're gonna take this space and this space and make it beautiful again. Come along on this journey. If you have any questions that you would like for me to answer, leave them down in the comment and I'll get back to you on the next video. If there's anything you want to see me build or you think that will go good in my garden space or even maybe your garden space, leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll answer that on the next video. Maybe I'll answer it on a live video. Well, we got one part demolished. Let's see how we can get this and this. Hopefully we can get it done today. Alright guys, another section down. Now it's time to disassemble this sucker. Let's go. What am I going to do with him? Well, he's going to have a new home. I was going to throw it away, but you know, I said, let's see if it's going to thrive. So stay tuned, and we're going to see if Baby Bean going to make it. Alright guys, so got both of those areas taken out as far as the plants, soil. Believe it or not, that square is removable. It's not hooked to anything, it's not screwed to anything. So before I actually pull it out, I'm going to go ahead on and demolish the pallets first. And then I'm going to leave the rocks down there for right now, just in case, because again, remember, I'm beautifying this area, so I don't want to take certain things up that I don't have to take up. So we'll see how I go after I get all the pallets and stuff removed as I'm working on this project. Now, guess what? Did I throw that soil away? Beep. Nope. Why throw away my good soil? You know what's in that soil? I have black gold. I have cow manure. I have vermiculites. I have all kind of organic things in here. And it was sitting on a weed barrier fabric. It was not directly touching the ground on neither one of them. So I don't have weeds growing in them or anything like that. So no, I'm not throwing it away. So remember, anything is possible with a lot of hard work, not a little, a lot of hard work and a vision. Again, we're going to transform this space into something beautiful. Well guys, I got it down. Look at my handiwork. I still got this to go. So that'll be freestanding. That sucker coming down tomorrow. Alrighty. Let's get finished. All right, guys, that was a lot of work. Day one is done. Walk with me and I'm gonna show you just how far we came. This particular video is more about the destruction, tear down of an old project. So what you might see is a lot of slideshows and photos of that process. And then we'll jump into getting down to the nitty gritty. Okay, here we go. Let's see. We have the finished product for side one. As you can see, side one is done. And what did I do with that dirt? I put it over here. We not wasting no dirt. Alrighty. So side one, and if you can tell, you have a whole lot of more room to work with. So now I can actually get to the red trough that I haven't been able to water good and do all that stuff. My poor onions, they might survive, they might not, but we'll see. I'm not going to take them out. We'll see what happens. Again, then we got to work on this part right here. Knocking the rest of that down, tearing it down, however you may be. And as you can see, we have more pallets on the other side of the fence that we're going to get rid of. And as you can see, this is one of my projects I made. And it's not completely finished. You'll get to see me update that a little more. It's my watering station. So, yeah. But I hope you like it. Stay tuned and you'll see me upgrade that a little bit better than what it is. But now I do have my fence up. I have to do some tacking at the bottom here because everything was in the way. We just really couldn't get to it. So again, step one for today is done. I did the right side of this raised pallet thing I kind of built, which now, you know, you live to regret it. But hey, who don't do stuff like that? Okay, so next step, maybe tomorrow. I'm not going to promise it. Maybe I'll get this video out for you tomorrow. And with this one, you will see some slideshows. So I didn't film me actually tearing it down because at this point, didn't know if my phone was going to stay on. So I took pictures of the process as I went through it, and I can upload them through the video. Okay, so next step is this one. And then we can move those garden beds over there on this side. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can know every time I put a new video out. Have a great day. Looking forward to communicating with you.